8448 Fast Horizon. We have a few homes in this complex. It's gated. The entrance is right there. Community pool down there. We love screen doors. Of course, just change out the hardware. So, mismatching tiles. Probably 100% repaint, get a blind here, get an arch fan there. Maybe we'll get the property manager's opinion on what to do with this. The tile seems fine. Maybe get new verticals, remove the wallpaper at the same time as the repaint, probably paint these panels white. Do an executive paint. And this border as well. A lot of the light switches are that stainless steel. We do have a space saver microwave. This is the only white appliance in the kitchen. Washer and dryer look newer. Maybe prepare for having to junk this fridge or other items just in case. Couldn't open this door, but we have some pavers and dirt with no rock, and the AC's older, looks original. May want to consider keeping a home warranty until it eventually breaks. Tile on the stairs and upstairs. Need some blinds there. This is looking more bronze to me than this matches the same. Change in tile. These slide very easily. I'd be worried about them sliding too fast and breaking. So yeah, change in tile. Need some blinds. Tile seems fine in here. Of course, that border will come off as well.